A few days later, I was waiting for to become a perfect in
How
English.
long have you been you following this YouTube channel?
So actually, one of a stranger he suggested me. Probably 1 or 2 years back, I never imagined myself that I would reach that place only.
More consistent with your YouTube channel. So how could you manage? How it will be possible for you to manage each and everything?
Initially, I was just forcing myself to learn this language. Then,
Hello, hello, Shutapa. Hi,
hello,
good
sir.
afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Hi, how are you? How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Like it's today, it's just a productive day, I would say.
So,
Since morning, I'm doing work, and
okay.
now I'm just talking with you. And
Oh my God. So today is a productive day for you.
yes,
Anything is special?
special. Actually, I recently started a new job, like work from home. So
Okay.
I just wake up early in the morning. I completed my whole the requirement of every single day which I do, like worshiping God and other
Hmm.
things. So I at first I completed this work and then I start the my own work from home job.
So you are doing a great job.
Like
Yeah.
happy, quite happy if our day started with in a productive way. So we like feel happy. We feel happy, I think.
Of course, of course. The day is very jovial for you. You have got a new job and you have
Yeah.
already started your profession.
Yeah, the day is still left. So
Uh,
let's see how it's spent.
by the way, I had a pretty good lunch. What about you?
I didn't finish yet. I'll have it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. When you complete the session, after that you
Mm-hmm.
will take your lunch, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So this is the first interaction between us. So why
Mm.
should you not introduce yourself in a very brief mood?
Yeah, right. So thank you for this opportunity that you have given me to introduce myself in front of you. So my name is Sutapa Paul and I'm speaking from Assam. And since my graduation I have been teaching, so I have teaching skills, and I have over 4 to 5 years of experience in teaching. And recently I completed my post graduation in education, which is also related to teaching.
Okay.
What else you want to know more? If you have queries, then you can ask me.
Actually, I
I
got
think
so many
it's
things.
just
Yeah. So it's
I
enough
think
for
it's
me.
just less or more pretty much about me.
Yeah, of course. You are going to introduce yourself. So your name, your profession, and where do you reside. So that's all of it. Yeah.
Hmm.
And what about your YouTube channel? So did you start your YouTube channel?
I just uploaded few shots there. I didn't start by uploading long videos. I'm thinking to
Okay.
upload, but let's see
Mhm.
what happens.
How is weather is there? Because if I will tell you, you will be curious that outside is raining. No.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Here
So
also,
morning it
like
was
in the
surprisingly sunny, but
mm-hmm.
now it's torrential downpour here. So we are
Okay.
very suffering from the torrential downpour and cats and dog and totally
Oh,
rainy season. I don't like. Yeah,
you don't like.
yeah.
So my favorite season is rainy and cloudy weather. I like there too. Like too much of rainy, I don't like that much because
Okay.
I know that it brings so much of causes and all. So although I like cooling weather, so cloudy weather also I would prefer. And
Mhm.
here, since the morning, it has been raining, but now it has stopped for a few minutes later before, and now
Okay.
it shows that sunny weather kind of. Yeah, it's just
Okay.
suddenly changed that weather.
Hmm. Okay. From the reliable platform, one of the platform that YouTube. So what you are thinking that I got to know some from your side that you want to become a YouTuber or you want to just upload video on YouTube channel. So,
Actually, by this journey, I was frequently watching one of really renowned YouTuber. Her name is Rajni Verma, and after watching like lots of videos of hers, suddenly a dream started coming on my mind that I also want to become her, and that's the thing. That separate thing. We have to
Mhm.
work a lot of that in that field. That's not easy. So easy. Like as you
Yeah.
are already in this field, I also realized that that's not really easy. Whatever the we assume, but still we have to work on that. Yeah, I'm just I don't know. A few days later, I was waiting for to become a perfect in English.
How long have you been you following this YouTube channel? Try to thrive.
Yeah,
I
try
think.
to thrive. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So actually, one of a stranger he suggested me uh,
Mm.
during this journey, this English learning journey. I met so so strangers, and so I interact with so amazing people that we exchange our thought, and actually I changed my mind, and so many things I got to know.
Mhm.
So from his side, I got to know about her YouTube channel, and since then, it's just a spark. It was just working on me. Suddenly it developed.
Actually, she
And
flying off the self now.
yeah, she
Mm.
has started this journey. I think she said during COVID period,
Mm.
and she just tremendously changed her English, spoken English. We can see her earlier videos, and we can compare it to her recent videos. That
Okay.
how just she developed. She looks like an expert now
Okay.
within
So
few years only.
if you will
Uh,
compare her beginning videos and nowadays
yeah,
she is making some videos, so
yeah,
it has already
exceptionally
stark
good. Yeah,
difference between those videos, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So it gives you motivation, or you have already got so many motivation from her channel, right?
Creating a YouTube channel, I got this inspiration from her, watching her videos only. But
Hmm.
otherwise, I was just thinking to at least I want to gain that capability to manage the situation whenever it
Yeah.
comes to speaking English.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
It
okay
was,
because
yeah.
yeah, this is the nice thing, no? So
Mhm.
if you will not get any motivation from your friends, and maybe you have already told that your friends also suggested to you that you should follow the Try to Thrive channel and any other more channel, no? So I
Mhm.
personally believe that if your friends are not talking about your growth, about your entrepreneurship, then you are living in a wrong circle, no?
We
Yeah.
should surround us that kind of people who will bring encourage to you, who will
Hmm.
show the positive thing. Otherwise, our mind started thinking negative way. If we
Hmm.
surround with negative people, that's a basic thing. Everybody they knows, I think, obviously. So the main thing, just I forget that I want to say something.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the my weakness. If I do not cross you, or if I do not reveal that whatever I just the things
Yeah.
came in my mind, and if I don't tell the immediate time, I forget. Sometimes
Okay.
that
It's okay. It
happens.
happens.
Yeah,
But
natural
sometime
thing.
sometime you can overcome with this situation.
To say
Hmm.
that I never think that I could manage. Like now we are talking to each other in English, so I never think like few years back, probably 1 or 2 years back, I never imagined myself that I would reach that place only.
Hmm.
Whatever it is, at least that place I would reach there. I never imagined because I thought I was that initial time I was struggling to uh, introduce myself even.
From the looks of it, your speaking and your confident level is really good.
Yeah.
And I'm not looking any gloomy from your side, and you are always smiling. So smile is the biggest weapon to others. Always, I believe that.
People, whenever they see me, they just think that I'm more approachable person would be, and would comfortable. They feel comfortable to ask me what, like if there's a new place, and they are feeling
Hmm.
hesitation to ask few questions, and they just like come to me and ask some whatever the questions have in their mind. They ask to me. I think Emma looks like really approachable to her, to them. Maybe.
Yeah, of course, of course. So if you want to build your career on YouTube, so definitely you have to do work hard, and
Yeah,
you
it's
have to
really.
maintain yourself, no? So you are a working professional, and sometime if you want to
Mm.
push yourself to the YouTube, no, you need to make videos in daily basis, and you try to more consistent with your YouTube channel. So how could you manage? How it will be possible for you to manage each and everything?
It's really hard to manage living with your, with especially living with family. They
Hmm.
won't understand that the person, like kids or whatever, they want their privacy. They want their
Huh.
separate timing. They don't understand. Even I can't stay for longer time at a place.
Okay.
Obviously they will search me and they will call me, and these things actually bother you to proceed the next thing. Actually,
Hmm.
as I don't know, I don't have any experience regarding YouTuber, but still I need some time to think about that. How do I start? How should I
Hmm.
start there? And so in this thinking process, whenever someone call you, it's act like they are acting like interaction. They are giving interaction
Okay.
to proceed thinking and all.
Hmm.
So I feel I'm like finding difficulties to find out some space for me and to think about more like to more something to do. What
Hmm.
should I do in my life? And
Hmm.
it's just they need time.
Yeah, of course, you have a big intention about yourself, and you want to just be like someone. So definitely, someday you will achieve more if you have that entire desire, and if you want to. Actually, people are demonstrate themselves like
Initially, no,
someone, right?
initially I was just forcing myself to learn this language. Then later, that forcefully things doesn't remain for longer time. So
Hmm.
many times I stopped. So I
Okay.
stopped this journey. Then I said to myself, I should go with a slow manner. I should enjoy the process. So I was like, whatever the things bring some interest to me, like four skills are required, as you know, and which skills just listening would be, or speaking, which brings more interesting, or give more motivation to proceed the journey. So I just without forcing myself, I
Okay.
mean to say that I don't want to force myself. So the thing came into my mind that want to become a YouTuber, not really YouTuber want to become, but want to start this journey. So I just think myself I should go with the slow, or whatever the activities shows that like not forcing or not giving so much stress. I'm thinking to like start with like flexible or easy way. Start with an easy way. I'm
Okay.
thinking.
Okay. So, Shutapa ma'am, it is going also long. So, if it could be troublesome to get the record session, no. So,
Oh yeah,
I should,
last time you
yeah,
also say
yeah. Last time also, I was not able to record the session.
download that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we should wrap up this session. So it was nice talking to you, ma'am. And next time
Yeah.
I will connect again with the new thing and new
Yeah, I'm also
enthusiastic. And
looking
yeah,
forward to have a conversation with you.
thank you for
The
yeah,
today it's just like little bit conversation
yeah,
we had.
yeah.
Okay,
So
so I'm
it's
looking
just
forward.
uh,
Yeah,
gossiping to each other when we'll
yeah.
meet again. So then it will be an interacting and an astonishing conversation with you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you,
thank you.
sir.
Bye bye.
Yeah,
Have a
have a
nice
good
day.
day. Yeah.
Thank you.